Devin's forearm is here.
Yeah.
I know him.
Yeah.
He's my buddy.
Juji does love you, Devin's forearm. He does.
Man, I got chalk up for this one.
Yeah.
Might need to teach him a sound effect.
There we go. Feels like a hydraulic brush.
You ready? Climb it again. That's it.
Moist meter.
That's it. Go, Roy, go. Get him now. Now's your chance, Roy. Get him. Go, get him. More sound effects. Russia. Sweet.
I'm starting to get more massive, right?
Just a little, yeah. Yeah. What the hell is this? Double dad move, king move, let's go, son. Oh my god.
Hey, you remember the meme when you were going
Whoosh. You need to break into the closet of extra weird sound effects, man. I'll never get tired of that shit. Come on now. Eat. He's getting me. Come on, make some eat noise.
Backward scream.
Yeah. Dude.